Detecting leaks early in your Navien Tankless water heater can prevent costly damage and ensure reliable hot water. Understanding the common causes and knowing where to look are essential skills for any homeowner. Navien tankless water heaters typically develop leaks from four main sources. Mineral buildup from hard water creates scale that corrodes components. Pressure relief valves can fail under stress, pipe connections loosen over time, and rubber seals naturally wear out with age. Start your leak detection with a thorough visual inspection. Look carefully around the entire unit for any signs of dripping water or pooling on the floor. Even small drops can indicate a developing problem. Pay special attention to the condensate drain system, as this is one of the most common leak points. Check for blockages in the drain line and inspect the O-rings for damage or wear. A clogged condensate trap can cause water to back up and leak. Examine all pipe connections and fittings carefully. Look for signs of corrosion, rust, or mineral deposits around joints. Loose connections often show water stains or active dripping, especially at threaded fittings and valve connections. Monitor your unit's display panel for error codes that may indicate leak-related problems. Some codes directly signal water detection issues, while others may point to problems that could lead to leaks. Also, watch your water pressure gauge for unusual drops. Many newer Navien models include built-in leak detection systems that can alert you to problems before they become serious. However, the best defense against leaks is regular preventive maintenance, including annual flushing and descaling to prevent mineral buildup. Before attempting any repairs on your Navien tankless water heater, safety must be your top priority. Always turn off the electrical power to the unit first, then shut off the water supply and allow the unit to cool completely before beginning any work. The first DIY repair step is to check for loose connections. Carefully inspect all water supply line fittings and gently tighten any that appear loose. Use appropriate tools and avoid over-tightening, which could damage the fittings. Step 2 involves inspecting and replacing worn-out seals, gaskets, and O-rings. Pay special attention to the condensate drain system, as these components are common leak sources. Replace any that show signs of wear, cracking, or deterioration. Step 3 requires cleaning three key components: the inlet water filter, air intake filter, and condensate trap. Regular cleaning of these components ensures proper water flow and drainage, preventing blockages that can cause leaks. Regular descaling is crucial for preventing mineral buildup that can cause leaks. For normal water conditions, descale your unit at least once per year. If you have hard water, increase this to 2 or 3 times per year to prevent scale-related damage. Call a qualified professional when the leak source is unclear, when dealing with a cracked heat exchanger, or when encountering error code 003. These situations require specialized knowledge and tools that go beyond typical DIY repairs. Professional installation is critical because improper installation is one of the leading causes of leaks in tankless water heaters. Always ensure your unit is installed by qualified HVAC professionals who understand the specific requirements and safety protocols. Ignoring leaks can lead to serious consequences, including property damage, corrosion of unit components, health risks from mold and mildew growth, and significantly reduced system performance. Address leaks promptly to avoid these costly problems.